So dear students, let's talk about another question, that is true or false. I read it: as per the international place value chart 6198457086 is written as this, in this sequence, in this way. Yes, this is true. But how this is true? As we can see in previous lecture, 1 billion number is a 10-digit number. So we divide every number into 4 equal parts, and every part has 3 digits, and every this one is a unit part, this one is a thousand part, and this one is million part. So you can see this number 680, this is a 3 digit. This means that this is a unit part. This 3 digits, this means that this is a 100,000 part, this is a million part. So 1, this is a billion. So we can write it as 6 space 198 space 457 space 086. This is true. The number 200 less than 42,698,210 is 42. We just subtract this unit place from this. So we get this number? No, we cannot get this number, so this is false. The smallest 9-digit number is 10 million. This is not true. A million is a 8-digit number, so 10 million is not a 9-digit number. The value of the ringed digit is 78, 193, 156 in 100,000. This is true. This is a unit place and this one is thousand place. So this means that this is a 100,000. We can see this table. This is a unit place, 3 numbers. This is a thousand places. This means that 100,000. And we can see this here. 1 is a 100,000 place. It's the international system. 498260000 is written as. No, this is not true, because when we divide a number into 4 equal parts, we get the real sequence of a number. 000 is a unit place, this one is a thousand place, and this one is a million place, this is a billion. So 4 is separate, 4 space 4598. This is a true way to write this number. 4 space 598 space 260 space 000. This is a true way to write a number. So this statement is false. Now let's move forward to the next part of this question. Select the correct answer from the given option. MCQs. 3,735,205 in figures is. Now you can see this here, million. Remember the concept. 1 million has 7 digit. 1 million has 7 digit. So let's talk about another other numbers. This is a 5 and this is a 200. So 205, this one written as 205. So 35,735. This is the other part of the number. This is the first part of number, that is called unit. This is a thousand and this is a millions part. So 3 million, this one is true. 3,735,205. 205. Next, in international place value chart, TM means 10 million. So this is our answer. 200 million is a 200 million. 200 million has 7-digit place. So 200 million, this one is like written as this one. This is a unit part, this is a thousand part, and this is a million part. This means that 200 million, and same as like zeros, this count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is a 9-digit number. So move towards Which of the given number matches when the expanded form? Now we can see that this is a unit, this is tens, this is 100, unit 10, 100. This one is our unit part, and it's 56,000. This one is our thousand part, and this one is our million part, because 1 million has 7 digits. So let's see the options. 656725, this is not true, because we see it here, two different parts, and 6,000, 6 million is another part. So we can write a number, this is in the form, no, we cannot write it in this form, so it is not true. This one is true, C part is true. 9686120016 written in the international system. So we can divide a number into 4 equal parts. This one is unit part, this one is our thousand part, and this one is our million part, and this one is billion. So we can write it as 9,786,120,016. A number has 4 different parts. We divide a number into 4 parts, and every part has 3 digits. So see you soon, students, in the next video.